welcome to the BHC Power YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at checking the oil on a Kohler 20 kilowatt generator. So first things first, you want to check in this oil every 8 hours of continuous operation. So it works for 8 hours during a power outage. You're going to want to shut it down, check the oil, and top it up if you need to. So you'll have to unlock the lid, take your key, slide it in the key slot, and that will unlock it, and then you can go ahead and lift the lid. Now once the lid's open, the engine's gonna be running, so we're gonna want to turn the engine off. First thing you're gonna want to do is turn the main breaker off. Once that's off, now our engine's still running, but we have no power going in the house, so our next step is to turn the engine off. You'll press the off button. Now once that's off, give the oil 30-45 seconds to get down to the bottom of the engine, and you're going to want to check your dipstick. That is the little black ring over here. Remove it. First time out, you just wipe it off. Don't even bother looking at it. Then now check it. So you're going to want to be somewhere between the full and the low mark. It will show you, and there's some hash marks in the middle there. So you're going to want to be somewhere between those two. 3/4 to half is perfect. Now if you have to go ahead and add some oil, if you got to top some up, you're going to have to remove the panels on the side of the generator. So these just slide up. There's little buttons on the front panel and the back panel, and they just slide into these slots. So you remove the right hand side and then go over to the exhaust side and remove that panel. Once that panel is removed, now you have access to remove the front panel. So you have a little latch on the left side and a latch on the right side. So with these removed, you can slide the whole panel directly up, giving you access to the inside of the generator. Now you'll be doing your oil top-ups from here. This is a little rubber cap, so you can pull this back, and that is where you put your oil. I would recommend using a funnel to make sure you don't spill any oil. Add some oil, check, add some oil, check. The unit takes about 2 liters of oil to fill from empty, so if you have 1 liter on hand, that is more than enough to do your little top-ups here and there every 8 hours. Now, once you're topped up to a satisfactory level, you can put your front panel back on. You have some little hooks in the bottom. They will slide into the bottom of the generator case. Take a few tries to get it, especially if it's new and the weather stripping the rubber is new. Slide them in, and you can push it in to get the latches to grab the 2 little posts. Once they're in, take your side panels, slide them back in. If you're having a hard time getting one of them to line up in the bottom, typically, you may have to use your foot to just gently push in on the panel just so that it grabs. Usually you'll see that on a brand new unit where the rubbers are all brand new and they're pushing out. So just to get this to actually line up, or else it will remain open. Now once you're ready to start it back up, you press the auto button, the engine will start up at that point. Once the engine starts up, give it 30-45 seconds to come on, get up to speed, and stabilize. And you can put the breaker back on. At this point, that's it, you're done. Close the lid, and you're good to go for another 8 hours. That is how you check the oil on a Kohler 20 kilowatt generator. If you have a different generator, a Briggs and Stratton, a Generac, or different size of Kohler, we have videos on those also. So you can go ahead and check out the BHC Power YouTube page and take a look at that. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call at 613-733-8135. Thank you. Have a great day.